Today see about kids daily using A letters English words. First for animals, ANIMALS, animals. Apple, APPLE, apple. Ant, ANT, ant. Airplane, AIRPLANE, airplane. Angel, ANGEL, angel. Art, ART, art. Ash, ASH, ash. Uncle, ANKLE, ankle. Award, AWARD, award. Answers, ANSWERS, answers. Army, ARMY, army. Athlete, ATHLETE, athlete. Angry, ANGRY, angry. Aircraft, AIRCRAFT, aircraft. Aboard, ABOARD, aboard. Apps, APPS, apps. Asking, ASKING, asking. Archery, ARCHERY, archery. Arms, ARMS, arms. Afternoon, AFTERNOON, afternoon. Anaconda, ANACONDA, anaconda. Alarm, ALARM, alarm. Acid, ACID, acid. Alphabet, ALPHABET, alphabet. Anchor, ANCHOR, anchor. Auto, AUTO, auto. April, APRIL, April. This is the daily using for kids A letters English words. Kids daily using B letters English words. Following by banana, BANANA, banana. Butterfly, BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Bus, BUS, bus. Balloon, BALLOON, balloon. Book, BOOK, book. Bicycle, BICYCLE, bicycle. Ball, BALL, ball. Bear, BEAR, bear. Bike, BIKE, bike. Bat, BAT, bat. Bee, bee. Basketball, BASKETBALL, basketball. Baby, BABY, baby. Bird, BIRD, bird. Bed, BED, bed. Bell, BELL, bell. Boat, BOAT, boat. Boot, BOOTS, boots. Boy, BOY, boy. Binocular, 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 binocular. Bread, bread, bread. Bowl, bowl, bowl. Bottle, bottle, bottle. Bank, bank, bank. Blood, blood, blood. Brinjal, brinjal, brinjal. Bone, bone, bone. Pull, bull, pull. Bad, bad, bad. Blue, blue, blue. Bag, bag, bag. Butter, butter, butter. Boom, boom, boom. Bug, bug, bug. Brain, brain, brain. Bucket, bucket, bucket. Brown, brown, brown. This is the kids daily using B letters English words. Kids daily using C letters English words following for cat, C-A-T, cat. Car, C-A-R, car. Camera, C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. Cup, C-U-P, cup. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Coat, C-O-A-T, coat. Carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Crop, C-R-A-B, crop. Cake, C-A-K-E, cake. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Cloud, C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Cheese, C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Coins, C-O-I-N-S, coins. Candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle. Cook, C-O-O-K, cook. Calendar, C-A-L-E-N-D-E-R, calendar. Cap, C-A-P, cap. Cone, C-O-R-N, cone. Clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Chips, C-H-I-P-S, chips. Chocolate, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E, chocolate. Cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chemical, C-H-E-M-I-C-A-L, chemical. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. City, C-I-T-Y, city. Colt, C-O-L-T, colt. Coffee, C-O-F-F-E-E, coffee. Century, C-E-N-T-U-R-Y, century. Class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Cool, C-O-O-L, cool. Couple, C-O-U-P-L-E, couple. Color, C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Cry, C-R-Y, cry. Cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. Crush, C-R-U-S-H, crush. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. circle, circle, circle. This is the kids daily using C letters English for. Kids daily using D letters English words following for dog, DOG, dog. Door, DOOR, door. Dice, DICE, dice. Duck, DUCK, duck. Drum, DRUM, drum. Dot, DART, dot. Desk, DESK, desk. Deer, DEER, deer. Diamond, DIAMOND, diamond. Donut, DONUT, donut. Dolphin, DOLPHIN, dolphin. Donkey, DONKEY, donkey. Doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. Draw, DRAW, draw. Dad, DAD, dad. Dress, DRESS, dress. Dance, DANCE, dance. Dead, DEAD, dead. Danger, DANGER, danger. Daughter, DAUGHTER, daughter. Driver, DRIVER, driver. December, DECEMBER, December. Dragon, DRAGON, dragon. Down, DOWN, down. Dinner, DINNER, dinner. Dinosaur, DINOSAUR, dinosaur. Dollar, DOLLAR, dollar. Dragonfly, DRAGONFLY, dragonfly. Doll, DOLL, doll. Drug, DRUG, drug. Dark, DARK, dark. This is the kids daily using D letters English words. Thanks for watching video. Like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.